देश व राज्यातील विविध महत्त्वाच्या बातम्या पाहण्याकरिता आपल्या हक्काचे पत्रकार टाइम्स या ब्लॉगस्पॉट, फेसबुक, न्यूज पेपर व यूट्यूब चॅनलला लाईक व सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. धन्यवाद.
I now invite the civil society representative, Ms. Chetna Gala Sinha, a social entrepreneur and founder of the Mandesh Foundation, to make a statement.
Namaste. Respected dignitaries on dais and respected audience. Today I am here to share with you the lessons I have learned from rural women in India. These are incredible women. They never had an opportunity to go to school. They had no degrees, no travel. They have guided me on the journey of my life. These are ordinary women who did extraordinary things in their life with their greatest courage, dignity, and humility. 3 decades ago, I left Mumbai and went to stay in a village in a drought-stricken area in Maharashtra, India. Many women would come to me and try to solve their solutions and come to me. One of them was Kantabai. Kantabai was doing her business of big blacksmith on the street. And Kantabai said, I want to save. And my obvious question to Kantabai was that you are doing business on the street. Do you even have a money to save? She was insistent. She said, I want to plan my life. I want to manage finance and I want to save. So I told Kantabai that if you want to save, why don't we go to the bank? With Kantabai, many other women who were street vendors, fruit vendors, wage laborers came to bank to open the saving account. The bank officer said that Kantabai do not have a money. She wants to save less than half cent a day. So they said she's not an affordable client to us. And they denied to accept Kantabai as a customer of the bank. So we thought, if banks are not opening the account, why not start the bank for women like Kantabai? And we applied for the banking license. But you know what? It was not easy. The Central Bank of India denied the license, saying that your promoting members are non-literate, so we cannot issue the license. I went to women, I wept, I cried. I said we couldn't get the license because our women cannot read and write. You know what our women said? They said, we will learn to read and write again. We will learn to read and write. We have not been to the school. We'll learn and apply again to the Central Bank of India. After 5 months, we went back again. And when we went to the Central Bank of India, you know what our women said to the officer? They said, we cannot read and write, but we can count. And they said, you denied the license, but they challenged the officer and they said, ask us to calculate the interest of any principal amount. If we fail, don't issue the license. But tell your officers to do it without calculator and see who can calculate faster. Needless to say that we got the banking license. And I'm so proud to share with you that our women didn't stop there. They said, we want to manage the finance, we want to learn the skills, we want to start the business. So we started the business school for rural women, the first business school which our foundation started for rural women in India. You wouldn't believe it that rural women like Kerabai, who had never been to the school, came to our radio. We started the radio, which was operated by all women. Kerabai came to the radio and she said, I want to feature my own program. Our radio manager said that, Kerabai, you cannot read and write. She said, I cannot read and write, but I can sing. And she featured her own program. Even the younger women were having an aspiration. The young girl, Reshma, came to the bank. And she said that in summer vacation, I want to work. We were surprised, why you want to work? You know, Reshma was rearing buffaloes. She said, I want to go to high school. I will work for 2 months and I will buy a bicycle to go to school. And Reshma went to high school getting the bicycle. And thousands of girls have got the bicycle. But Reshma didn't stop there. She became an athlete. She came to US in state of Virginia, ran the marathon and won the gold medal. The Buffalo Errors, Reshma, she became a marathon runner and now she is traveling globally. I just want to tell you that when I stand here, I want to share that these women, on the strength of their capital, we started a bank with no outside support. We started a business school for rural women from foundation. And with the experience of our women in banking, we started the first pension product for women. These women never went to the school, but they designed the pension product, and we were the first bank to do it. Microcredit industry is huge. In India itself, we have $60 billion industry. Women take the loan and repaid the loan. And they proved that we are bankable. They do micro savings, micro credit, and micro pension. They want to build their collaterals, assets, and wealth. And I also want to say that our women are also doing digital banking. They are champions of digital banking. They own digital wallets. And when they own digital wallets, they say that we do not want to just have access on finance, but control on finance. With the bank, with the radio station, with the business school, one thing I've learned from our women, and that is never provide poor solutions to poor people. They are smart. Today, our women are building not only the micro enterprise, but they are building their assets. They are giving jobs to other women also. So today I say that when women prosper, they don't prosper alone. They invest in their children, they invest in their community. When they step out of their homes, they break century-old caste barrier and conditioning. And when I ask these women, from where do you get this strength? How can you make it? Everything. You know what they say? Our courage is the capital. And I say, their courage is my capital. And today, when all of you are listening to me today, I would like to say that you can also get your courage from so many women around you as a capital. And I would like to say here, when you invest in women, economy grows and society thrives. Namaste.
I thank the civil society representative for his statement.
आपल्या हक्काचे पत्रकार टाइम्स न्यूज चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा. धन्यवाद.